The 13 Principles of Faith are a collection of ideas integral to Judaism. Originally assembled by Rabbi Moses ben Maimon, this list forms the basis of the Yigdal, the essential hymn recited at every Shabbat service. Adonai is the Creator. Adonai is one. Adonai is non-corporeal. Adonai is beginning and end. Adonai is whom prayer is to be directed at solely. The prophets are true. Moses is true. Torah is authentic. Torah has not changed. Adonai is all-knowing of human behavior. Adonai rewards obedience and punishes violators. Humanity has salvation. Humanity will be resurrected.